Dear students, in this session also we are going to solve past years problems. If y equal to y of x is the solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to tan x minus y into secant square x, x belongs to minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2 such that y of 0 equal to 0, then y of minus y4 is equal to option A 2 plus 1 by e, option B 1 by 2 minus e, option C e minus 2, option D 1 by e minus 2. dy by dx tan x minus y into secant square x, tan x into secant square x minus y secant square x. dy by dx plus y secant square x equal to tan x into secant square x. dy by dx plus py equal to q. P equal to secant square x, q equal to tan x into secant square x. Integral p dx equal to integral secant square x dx, that is tan x e power integral p dx e power tan x. Solution is y into e power integral p dx integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c, y into e power tan x equal to integral tan x secant square x into e power tan x dx plus c. Put t equal to tan x dt equal to secant square dx. So y into e power tan x equal to tan xt, that is e power t secant dx dt plus c integral x e power x dx equal to x e power x minus e power x is a formula. Using this, y into e power tan x equal to t e power t minus e power t plus c. E power t into t minus 1 plus c. Y into e power tan x equal to e power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus c. So y equal to tan x minus 1 plus c by e power tan x, y equal to tan x minus 1 plus c into e power minus tan x. Y of 0 equal 0 gives when x equal 0, y equal 0, here 0, tan 0 0 minus 1 plus c into e power 0 1, that is c equal to 1. So y equal to tan x minus 1 plus e power minus tan x. We need y of minus pi before. Y means y of x. So y of minus pi equal to tan of minus pi 4 minus 1 plus e power minus tan of minus pi 4 minus 1 plus e into minus of minus 1 tan 45 tan minus 45 minus 1 minus 2 plus e minus 2. Option C is correct. Next question. Let's y equal to y of x be the solution of differential equation dy by dx plus y tan x equal to 2x plus x squared tan x. X belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. such that y of 0 equal to 1. Then option A, y dash pi by 4 minus y dash minus pi by 4 equal to pi minus root 2. Y of pi 4 plus y of minus pi by 4 equal to pi square by 2 plus 2. Option C. Y of pi by 4 plus y of minus pi by 4 equal to pi square by 2 plus 2. So this is given already. Y dash pi by 4 plus y dash minus pi by 4 equal to minus root 2. Option D. Y of pi 4 minus y of minus pi 4 equal to root 2. These are the given options. dy by dx plus y tan x plus 2x x square tan x as well y of 0 equal to 1. So this is linear in y, dy by dx plus py equal to q, p equal to tan x, del tan x dx equal to log sec x, e power integral p dx equal to e power log sec x, that is sec x. So solution is y into e power integral p dx, e power integral p dx, that is sec x equal to integral q. Q means this value 2x plus x square tan x secant x plus c. Y secant x equal to two x secant x plus x squared plus c d of so 2x secant x plus x squared secant x tan x. It can be written shortly d of x squared dx. This is differentiation of x squared secant x. U dash d 2x b you keep it as it is. U that is x squared. B dash secant x tan x. So integral dx equal to x, that is x squared secant x plus c. Here we have y of secant x. So y equal to x squared plus secant x, y equal to x squared plus c cos x. Y of 0, that is when x equal to 0, y equal to 1. Y equal to 1, 0 plus c into 1. Y equal to x squared plus cos x. Y equal to x squared plus cos x, y dash two x minus sin x. Y dash of pi by 4 equal to 2 into pi 4 minus sin pi 4, that is pi by 2 minus 1 by root 2. Y dash of minus pi 4, 2 into minus pi 4 sin minus pi 4 minus pi by 2 plus 1 by root 2. Y dash pi by 4 minus y dash minus pi 4, that is pi by 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 that is 5 minus 2 into 1 by root 2. 5 minus root 2. Option A. Consider differential equation. Y square dx plus x minus 1 by y dy equal 0. If value of y is 1, when x equal to 1, then the value of x for which y equal to 2 is one by 2 plus 1 by root e five by 2 plus 1 by root e 3 by 2 minus root e 3 by 2 minus 1 by root e. Y squared dx by dy plus x minus 1 by a equal 0 divided by dy throughout, we get this answer. Further, dividing by y squared dx by dy plus x by y squared minus 1 by y cubed equal 0. So dx by dy plus x by y squared equal to 1 by y cube. Dx by dy plus px equal to q. P equal to 1 by y squared, q equal to 1 by y cube. Integral p dy, integral 1 by y squared dy, that is minus 1 by y e power integral p dy, that is e power minus 1 by y. solution is x into e power integral p dy equal to integral q e power integral p dy plus c. X into e power minus 1 by y equal to integral 1 by y cubed e power minus 1 by dy plus c. One by y equal to t minus 1 by y squared equal to dt. 1 by y squared equal to minus dt or minus 1 by y equal to t. 1 by y squared equal to dt. Minus 1 by y equal to t means 1 by y equal to minus t. So x into e power minus 1 by y, e power minus 1 by y equal to e power t. One by y squared dy equal to 1 by y squared dy equal to dt 1 by y cube. 1 by y squared into 1 by we can write for this minus t. 1 by y cube e power minus 1 by y, it means that 1 by y squared into 1 by y into e power minus 1 by y dy. This is e power t, this is minus t. 1 by y squared dy, that is dt, minus into t e power t dt, minus into t e power t minus e power t plus c. So x e power minus 1 by y equal to minus t minus e power to t minus 1 plus c x e power minus 1 by y equal to e power minus e power minus 1 by y plus c. So x equal to divide by this minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus c by e power minus 1 by y, that is x equal to 1 plus 1 by y c power plus 1 by y. When x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So 1 equal to 1 plus c. C equal to minus 1 by e. So x equal to 1 plus 1 by y minus 1 by e power 1 by y equal to 1 plus 1 by y e power minus 1 e power 1 by y. 1 plus 1 by y e power 1 by y minus 1. So option D is correct. The general solution of the differential equation y squared minus x cubed into dx minus xy dy equal to 0. X not equal to 0 is y squared minus 2x squared plus cx squared equal to 0. Y squared plus 2x squared plus cx squared equal to 0. Y squared minus 2x squared plus cx cubed equal to 0. So y squared plus 2x squared plus cx cubed equal to 0. So y squared dx minus x cube dx minus xy dy equal to 0. Dividing by dx, y squared minus x cubed minus xy dy by dx equal to 0. xy dy by dx equal to y squared minus x cubed. dy by dx equal to y squared by xy minus x cubed by xy. So dy by dx equal to y by x minus x square by y. So dy by dx minus y by x equal to minus x square by y. It's not homogeneous in fact. So y squared equal to to take y squared equal to z 2y dy by dx equal to dz by dx. Y dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 dz by dx. So x into in place of y dy by dx 1 by 2 dz by dx equal to in place of y square have z minus x cube. dz by dx equal to 2z by x minus 2x cubed by x. dz by dx minus 2 by x z equal to minus 2x squared. So dz by dx plus pz equal to q. P equal to minus 2 by x, q equal to minus 2x squared. Integral p dx, integral minus 2 by x dx minus 2 log x, log x power minus 2 log 1 by x squared. E power integral p dx e power log 1 by x squared, that is 1 by x squared. Solution is z into e power integral p dx equal to q e power integral p dx dx plus c z into 1 by x squared integral minus q, that is minus 2x squared. This means 1 by x squared dx plus c. So z by x squared equal to, this will be cancelled, minus 2x plus c. Y squared by x squared equal to minus 2x plus c. So y squared equal to minus 2x squared plus c x squared y square plus 2x cube minus c x squared equal to 0. This is same as y square plus 2x cube capital C x squared equal 0. Minus c also a constant that can replace by some other constant c. So option B equal 0. If y equal to y of x, is the solution of the differential equation e per y into dy by dx minus 1 equal to e per x such that y of 0 equal 0 then y of 1 is equal to one plus log 2 to the base e two plus log 2 to the base e 2e log 2 to the base e. e power y into dy by dx minus 1 equal to e power x. Let's e power y equal to z. E power y dy by dx equal to dz. This is e power y dy by dx minus e power y equal to e power x. So this become in front of this dz by dx minus z equal to e power x. dz by dx plus pz equal to q. P equal to minus z, q equal to e power x. Integral p dx equal to p equal to minus 1 minus dx equal to minus x. E power integral p dx equal to e power minus x. Solution is z into e power integral p dx equal to q dx plus c. So z into e power minus x equal to q e power x, for this term e power minus x dx plus c. Z e power minus x equal to x plus c. For z we have taken e power y into e power minus x equal to x plus c. So e power y minus x equal to x plus c. So y minus x equal to log x plus, if you take log e power y minus x means y minus x log x plus c. Y equal to x plus log x plus c. X equal 0, y equal 0 implies 0 0 plus log c. Log c equal to c equal to 1. Therefore, y equal to x plus log x plus c, that is x plus 1. We have to find y of 1. So, y of 1 equal to 1 plus log 2. So, option 1 is correct. Next one, let y equal y of x be the solution curve of the differential equation y squared minus x dy by dx equal to 1, satisfying y of 0 equal to 1. This curve intersects the x-axis at a point whose abscissa is two minus e minus e two plus e. Y squared minus x dy by dx equal to 1. Y of 0 equal to also 1. So y squared minus x equal to dx by dy. Dx by dy plus x equal to y squared. Dx by dy plus px equal to q. P equal to 1, q equal to y squared. This is linear in x. Integral p dy. Integral dy, that is y, if, e power integral, that is e power y. X into e power integral p dy equal to integral q, e power integral p dy plus c. X into e power y integral q, that is y squared into e power y dy plus c. So u equal to y squared du 2y dy, dv equal to e power y dy, integral dv equal to integral e power y dy, v equal to e power y. Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So x e power y equal to u y squared b e power y minus b e power y 2y dy plus c. So x e power y equal to y squared minus 2 into integral x e power x dx, x e power x minus e power x, del y e power y dy, y e power y minus e power y. So 2 into y e power y minus e power y plus c, y squared e power y minus 2 e power y into y minus 1 plus c, e power y into y squared minus 2y plus 2 plus c, that is x e power y. If you divide by e power y, x equal to y squared minus 2y plus 2 plus c e power minus y. Y of 0 equal to y of 0 equal to 1 gives that is x equal 0, y equal to 1. So 0 equal to 1 minus 2 plus 2 c power minus 1. This will be cancelled. So minus 1 equal to c by e, c equal to minus e. Therefore, x equal to y squared minus 2y plus 2 minus c e power minus y. So we have to find so it intersects x-axis at x-axis y equal to 0. X is 0, 0 plus 2 e power 2 minus e power 1 minus e. Y 0, 1 minus 0. X equal to 2 minus e. So option A is correct. The next session we will further continue solving previous problems. Thank you.